For this problem, you have n equal to 6 is the number of persons, number of people available. And person 0 will share a secret to first person, which is numbered as 1. The first person could be different for a different problem. For this problem, first person is 1. And you have a set of meetings at stipulated times. So meeting between 1 and 2 will happen at time 5. Meeting between 2 and 3 will happen at time 8. Meeting between 1 and 5 will happen at time 10. So this is the way meetings are happening. The problem is the secret has given to 1 at time 0. At time 0. By the end of all meetings, 100 will be knowing the secret. So at time 5, the first meeting will happen between 1 and 2. Whenever a meeting happens, instantaneously that secret will be shared. So 1 will share to 2. At time 8, 2 will share to 3. At time 10, 1 will again share to 5. So all these people 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 will be knowing the secret. The people who had never participated in any meeting, for example the 4th and 6th people, these people will be knowing nothing. So what if 3 get to know about the secret at 8? But what if 3 conducts a talk with the number 4, 3 and 4, if they meet at somewhere at 60 minute or 6th time, there won't be any secret share because 3 comes to know about the secret only at 8. But this meeting has occurred at 6th. So in such scenario, there won't be any secret share. 4 will be still agnostic to the secret. But 3 will be come to know later at the time 8. So this is how the problem has formulated. The detailed explanation, sample test cases all are available in the link given in the description. Check out and try it yourself. Let's go to the implementation details. That will give you more clarity about the problem and the solution. So this problem requires a disjoint set union find which is of size n. So define it. Union find n. Okay. Now you can connect 0 and first person because they had already shared the secret. Sort your meeting based on time. Picking these are the meetings. Meetings will be like this: 1 to 5, 2, 3, 8, and 1, 5, 10. That means meeting between 1 and 2 happens at 5. Meeting between 2 and 3 happens at 8. Meeting between 1 and 5 happens at 10. They may not be in sorted order, so you have to sort. So you have sorted the meeting. Now you have to group all the people. There could be multiple meetings happening at the same time. So people who had been at meeting at same time, they can share information in that same moment. But they have to share some common rooms, or whoever is sat in 2 rooms must have at least one common man. If a third room has two alien people who are not there in the first and second room, then what happened in the third room may not be known to first and second room. So anyway, you have to list them. List the people who are available at a short, who are in meeting at a single shot of time. Now iterate over all meetings. Size. You will keep a time as your I, comma 2. I less than size time equal to plus X. You can join these people, connect. Same time you can give them into a people list. People's list has to be maintained for a particular time. So clear it every time you begins a new time. Now at the end, go through people list. If they are not connected to 0, unset. Reset them means make them independent and connected to node. Now you will have a list of now whoever were there in the meetings, whoever had met first person or 0 will be connected to, everybody will be connected to 0. Now you can create your answer vector. With answer vector, check connected up 0, I. If connected, just push back that element. Return result. This shall give you the right answer. Yeah, you have all elements except for 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4 and 6. So what we had discussed and what the program had written are correct.